The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again.
Hi kids! From A to Z.
From East to West.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Have you guys ever seen an itsy bitsy?
No, you can't say the word.
An itsy bitsy.
No.
What about an itsy bitsy? Itsy bitsy spider.
No!
Yeah. But Noah, just.
No, I don't want to sing it.
But look, just a little.
No.
Just an itsy bitsy one. Look, Noah. Maybe. Yes. What if there's an itsy bitsy spider on my hand? Hey kids. Noah's afraid of spiders. I don't know if you noticed, but
No. I'm not afraid.
You're not afraid?
No.
No?
I just don't like them.
Oh, okay. So spider. Yeah, see, kids, maybe just a little, Noah, maybe
You did that on purpose. That was not nice.
I did do it on purpose, and it was not nice, but it was funny.
But we're not going to sing that song.
Oh, I think we are.
No. I don't want to sing that song.
But Noah, in the song, remember, the rain washes the spider away. What if instead of singing itsy bitsy spider, we sang Bigsy spider, like the biggest spider, or Bigsy giant spider, or giant. Oh, I know it would be a scary spider, a giant flying spider.
No,
flying spider.
No.
Oh, but what if it was a flying spider, but like instead of like the spider flying, like it actually flew a plane. So like there was a plane and there's a spider on the plane and it's like vroom, vroom, I'm a spider that flies a plane. Wouldn't that be interesting? Kids, I think we're losing Noah. But it's okay because he is definitely not afraid of spiders.
That's exactly right. I'm not afraid of spiders.
He's a little bit afraid.
No, I'm not.
Okay, he's right. He's not a little bit afraid. He's a bit afraid.
No.
No?
I just don't like that song.
Oh, okay,
I don't want to sing it.
here's a spider.
Ah!
Kids, are you afraid of spiders? Some of you? Yeah, that's okay. I mean, it's smart not to touch spiders. That's true. You don't necessarily have to be quite as concerned as Noah is, but yeah, daddy long legs, those are okay. But like a black widow, that's not an okay spider. So it is smart to just not touch spiders if you don't know what they are, because you never know. But Noah,
Yes.
what if we tried singing it?
No, why do we have to sing it? Who knows? If we sing that song, maybe all of the spiders will, they all
They'll
come together, and then, you know.
And it will be like a spider reunion.
Yeah, we don't have to
Oh,
do that.
and we'll have like little families of spiders around. We can be like, oh, hi, little spider. What is your name? Oh, hi, little spider. You have lots of eyes. Oh, hi. I like spiders. Can you tell, kids? I think spiders are kind of cool. Yeah. I like spider webs. I think they're neat and they're like kind of pretty. And when it's outside and there's a spider web and then it rains, then there's like dew on the spider web, and sometimes the dew reflects the light, and then there's like little tiny rainbows all over the spider web. I like that. No? Well, I think some of the kids out there are like me and like spiders, or at very least like this song. Because guess what, Noah? Are you going to guess?
Do we really have to sing it?
I mean, we don't have to. But it really doesn't call spiders. Mm-mm.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. Mm-hmm.
So if we sing this song, no spiders will appear?
No spiders will appear. You can even go to the side if you want, and I can sing it first to make sure.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. I'll sing it first. Okay. 1, 2, 3. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again.
Yeah, I don't see any spiders.
I don't see any spiders.
Okay.
So
then I guess I can sing it too.
Okay, all right. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Oh,
I just saw a spider, that's
Whoa.
why I stopped singing.
oh. I saw it too. Should we sing it again to see if the spider comes back, or?
No.
But what if it's a nice spider?
Okay, I guess we can try one more time.
We could sing the song, and then when the spider comes back, we can ask it if it's a nice spider.
Okay.
Yeah? Do we want to try that?
Okay.
Okay, are you sure? It's okay if you don't.
I'm not sure, but okay.
Okay, well, let's try it, and if you want to stop, just yell stop, and I'll stop, okay?
Okay.
Okay, all right. 1, 2, 3. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Hello, spider. Are you nice? Oh, wait, she's whispering. I am a very nice spider. I like rain, but I like sunshine better. Oh, she's nice, Noah.
I'll still keep my distance.
Okay, you keep your distance. I'll go a little closer. I could put out my hand. I wonder if she could climb on my hand. Whoa. Okay, you can go back up, spider. Wow. See, Noah, she was nice.
Yeah. I'll still stay here though.
Okay, do you want to sing it one more time, or
we
no
can
more
sing
times?
it one more time.
One more time. Okay, and you stay far over there, and I'll stay right here.
Okay.
Okay. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Aw, I'm glad the spider made it back up the spout.
Yeah, but can I go now?
Yep, you can go now. Do you want to say goodbye to the kids first?
Yeah, I'll say goodbye to the kids.
Okay, let's say goodbye to the kids.
Kids, I'm sorry that this was not my song, but I don't like spiders.
That's okay. Everybody has songs they like more or less.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like.
But thanks for watching Dream Again. We hope to see you next time again.
And for those of you who do like this song or who do like spiders, stay for the sing along.
Yeah, definitely.
You can definitely sing along with it and have a good time, because also it does not call spiders normally. This was a very special musical spider, I guess.
Yeah. This was Olivia's pet.
Yeah. Ooh, like a pet tarantula.
Ah!
Yeah, those people have those as pets for sure.
No,
Mhm.
not me.
Yeah.
Okay, kids. Thanks for watching Dream Again.
Thank
I
you,
hope you
guys.
enjoyed our sing-along song. We'll see you next time.
All right, see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye.
Okay, you go. Oh, kids. He's so afraid of spiders. You don't need to be, though. Just be careful. They're not that bad. Okay. Bye, kids. Have fun. Bye.
The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!